Fairy Rainbow. Hello everyone and welcome to Fairy Rainbow. Today we are going to draw and color tools. Let's draw together. I'm going to draw a hammer. Let's draw a screwdriver. The next tool is the saw. Excellent! The fourth tool is going to be a pliers. I love drawing so much. Now, let's draw a drill. I draw a tape measure. Then we draw the pincers. They are so cute. Finally, I draw a wrench. Fantastic! Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the hammer. Green. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Red. Aquamarine. Let's color the screwdriver. Yellow. Red. Purple. Green. Now, we color the saw. Red. Light blue. Very nice. I'm going to color the pliers. Orange. Light blue. Yellow. Green. for the drill. I love coloring so much. Aquamarine. Yellow. Red. Pink. Purple. Light blue. Yellow. Try color the tape measure. Pink. Green. Aquamarine. Purple. Let's color the pincers. Yellow. Pink. Green. Finally, I color the wrench. Blue. Amazing! And now, fairy rainbow. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.